Hey everybody, it's Anthony with AmeriClean. Today I want to talk to you about why we think HVAC companies should partner with AmeriClean to provide air duct cleaning to your customers. The odds are strong that on a daily basis, maybe weekly, you get the call into your office asking, do you clean air ducts? Or if not, who do you recommend? Today I want to provide you with some reasons why we think your company should partner with AmeriClean to provide that resource to your customers. The first reason why we think AmeriClean should be your trusted partner for air duct cleaning is AmeriClean's reputation. We've been providing air duct cleaning services to residential, commercial, and industrial customers in Northwest Indiana and South Chicagoland for longer than any other company. AmeriClean is proud to be a Napkin Certified air duct cleaning company, and we follow their cleaning procedures on every single one of our residential, commercial, and industrial cleaning projects. So when you refer AmeriClean, you can know that every cleaning project is getting done to the most stringent standards in the industry, and your customer is going to be left with an amazing product. Not only is AmeriClean the most experienced air duct cleaning company in the market and Napkin Certified, we also offer our HVAC referral partners the opportunity to earn referral rewards for every job that you send our way. Finally, we think you should partner with AmeriClean because we have your back. When an accident happens in your customer's home or their office, and let's say your technician walks in with dirty boots or unfortunately spills something and it affects their carpeting, we're going to come out free of charge and we're going to clean that carpet for you. This is an opportunity for you to instantly provide your customer with a solution and let them know that you care. The best part is, it's no cost to you. So if you're an HVAC contractor in Northwest Indiana, we'd love the opportunity to meet with you and tell you a little bit more about our HVAC Referral Partner Program. Give us a call at 219-942-8100, or you can always just reply to this message or tag us on Facebook. We hope you have a great day, and we look forward to serving your customers together.